This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of Chapter 10, 10C, question number 1. For each of the following velocity time graphs, describe the motion and find the distance travelled. Okay, so what have we got? We have, in E's case, I've got a particle that starts at 4 metres per second and travels for 6 seconds. So it commences at 4 metres per second and travels for 6 seconds. It then decelerates for 6 seconds at an acceleration of, it then has acceleration, so we go down 4 and over 2, minus 2 metres per second squared from 6 seconds to 12 seconds, and it will finish down here. After 12 seconds it has velocity, okay, so there's a gradient of -2, therefore in those 4 seconds it will go down 8, so minus 8 metres per second. What is the total distance travelled? Well, 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 2 times a half, which is 4, and this in here is 4 times 8 all times a half is 16, and 24 plus 4 plus 16 gives me 8 and 4 is 24, carry 14 and carry 1, 44 metres. Okay, in the second example I've got a particle that starts at rest and accelerates for 1 second. So it starts at rest, accelerates at 7 metres per second squared for 1 second, then decelerates at a rate of, it goes down 7 and over 1.5, so 7 over 3 on 2 is 14 on 3, decelerates at -14 on 3 metres per second squared for 4 seconds. At 2.5 seconds it is at rest, then moves backwards. So this here would be velocity equals -14 on 3 t plus c, and I know that at time 5 on 2 velocity is 0, so 0 equals -14 on 3 times 5 on 2 plus c, which will be -35 on 3 is what c equals. So my velocity form is -14 on 3t plus 35 on 3, and when t equals 5, velocity will be 5 times 14 on 3 plus 35 on 3, which is -35 on 3. So velocity down there is -35 on 3. How do I work out the distance travelled? The distance travelled in there will be the area under the curve, so a half times 7 times 1, or 7 on 2. The distance travelled in here will be a half times 7 times 3 on 2, which is 21 on 4, plus the distance in here will be a half times 5 on 2 times 35 on 3, which is 175 on 12. So the area of each of these will give us the distance travelled. Since it's distance, this negative distance I'll treat as a positive because I'm interested in the distance travelled. So 6 sevens are 42, plus 3 is 63, plus 175, 280 on 12 is 70 on 3 metres.